my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's me, April, the Red Lip Diva. Even though, once again, no red lips because I hate wearing makeup in the summertime most of the time. But anyway, this also gives me a blank canvas to try on makeup products. Isn't that lovely? So I just did my BoxyCharm, my July BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys. And I have this fabulous matte, I almost said eyelash color. Lord have mercy. Woo! I have this fabulous mascara on. Makes my lashes look fabulous. Again, I look like I had a seizure. Anyway, this video is going to be my July ipsy unbagging. I did look at these spoilers for my bag. I just can't remember what I got because it's been a little bit. But anyway, let's get right into this video. Ipsy is $10 a month, free shipping. You get usually about 5 products. You do have a beauty profile that you go in and do, and they try to tailor those products to your beauty profile. And then every month after you receive your bag, you can go onto the app or to the website and review your products, and they use those reviews to decide what products to give you the next month. So my bags have been pretty spot on lately because I am religious about doing my reviews, because not only does it help tailor my bag to me, but I also get ipsy points, and I actually just redeemed all of my ipsy points for 2 products, which will probably be in next month's bag. Yes, they usually mail them with your Glam Bag. So yeah, but anyway, you get 5 products and you get a makeup bag that's different every month. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna open my handy dandy pocket knife. And then, and it always comes in these pink mailers. Sometimes you will get a gold one just to be extra spiffy. Oh, this bag is beautiful. It's like a mermaid. It's gorgeous. Do you guys want to see it? Look at how pretty that is. It's iridescent teal with this white zipper, and look at the little zipper pull. Is so cute. Oh my god. And close up, look at this bag. Oh, this is so pretty. Yes. Oh, Ipsy, you knocked it out of the park this month, and I ain't even seen the products yet. Well, I've seen them, just not, I can't remember what they are. I haven't even opened the products yet. The bag. Oh my god. The bag. Okay. Whew. Calm down. Keep it together, April. The bag. Okay, let's open the bag. And the zipper pull is squishy. I'm so weird. It'll be okay. Okay. So, here's the card for this month. And it says, what is this? So it says, ready to dive into summer. Your 5 Glam Bag picks, pool ready makeup bag, and a ton of inspo on the Ipsy app are here to help you make a splash. Speaking of making a splash, we're so excited you got H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream in your Glam Bag. Well, there's one thing that's in my bag. The lightweight formula is loaded with water lily extract and illuminating pigments to make your skin so glowy. I like glowy skin. I think my skin is looking fabulous today. Oh god, sorry, I have an itch. Anyway, did you know your scalp needs the same hydration, protection, and exfoliation as the skin on the rest of your body? Especially when you're spending time in the sun, salt water, and chlorine. Head over to the Ipsy app for more scalp real talk and skincare tips. So actually, I just used a charcoal exfoliating shampoo tonight by Briogeo. It smelled like mint. It was amazing. And my head was tingling when it was done. I was like, ooh. I have the toothpaste feeling from when you brush your teeth on my head. It was very interesting. Yeah. Let's see here. And then it says, need an excuse to get your summer shopping on? Here's what we're obsessing over at Ipsy HQ. And you'll even get cash back when you snag them on the Ipsy app. Just hit the shopper tab. So yeah, it talks about some hair solutions and some sun care and some Hot Escapes bronzer. Yeah. And then you get 30% cash back on all 3 of those products. Fabulous. Okay. Let's see what's in here. My contacts are driving me insane. I love this bag so much. Look at how pretty. And apparently it's like water resistant. Makes it great to take to the pool or to the beach. I'm thirsty. Okay, so I'll just go with what I have in my hand right now. This was the last thing I took out of the bag. Oh, this is by Smashbox. I love Smashbox. It's a liquid lipstick. Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the color Stepping Out. So that's really pretty. Let's check it out and swatch it. I love Smashbox's like little applicators. It makes trying to get the lines on your lips really easy to do. So let's go ahead and swatch. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And some more yes. That's like a really pretty, like, dusty rose color. I swear everything is dusty rose with me. But anyway, that's what this looks like. It's more, kind of leans more toward brown, but it's really pretty. And it's Smashbox. Who am I to argue? Okay. So this is the product that they were talking about on the little card. This is the H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. And it's, let's see, clinically proven to double skin moisture. Massage gently onto face and neck, use day and night, and when weather conditions leave skin feeling dehydrated. I will probably save this till winter time because my face is oily as hell right now. The summertime is great for the hydration of my face because my skin doesn't get dry. In the summertime, it gets oily and shiny, so you can see. This will probably get saved for wintertime because yes, hydration is important. So very cool. I will definitely be using that. Okay, next up is something that I am very excited about. You guys know how much I love eye products. So eye gels, some things that deal with bagginess and dark circles and all of that good stuff. And you also know how much I love masks. So this is the Her Minerals 24 karat gold, 24K gold eye mask. Very nice. And there's 2 pairs in here. Oh, they're sparkly. Okay. Look at how pretty. Yeah, see. It's probably one of the best things they could have sent me. I love eye gels. I pop them in the refrigerator and keep them in there till I get ready to use them. So not only do I get the properties of the eye patch itself, but I also get the cooling sensation. Helps tighten up my under eyes and things like that. Yes. It just really feels good, especially in the summertime. But let's see. It says, for your priceless beauty, revitalizing 24K gold eye mask brightens the eye area and provides healthy, younger looking skin. Very cool. Her Minerals luxurious 24K gold mask helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and aging spots. Oh yes. This is achieved by improving circulation and decreasing skin inflammation. Gold can help draw out impurities that hide beneath the top layers of the epidermis to help keep your skin glowing, hydrated, and radiant. Ooh, I can't wait to use these puppies. And they actually have gold in them. Holy crap. I'm excited to use these puppies. Yes, sir. Okay, what's up next? So the two little potted things in here come in bubble wrap. I do not think that I have ever gotten a damaged product from Ipsy before. So they package their stuff pretty good too. Okay, so this is by Manakadar Beauty. And I have a primer from Manakadar. This is a flawless finish dual powder in flawless ivory. Well, I wouldn't necessarily consider my skin tone ivory, but let's open this baby and let's see what it looks like. So here's the packaging, and it's a screw top. You screw that off, and there's the powder inside. Oh, it's very silky. Okay, I'm not sure. I would probably use this to set my under eyes. It blends into my hand pretty good. Maybe it'll work for me. We shall see. But I like Manakadar's products. They're really good. I've had several of their products. Usually I get them through Ipsy. I think the lip primer came from Lip Monthly back when I had it, but I really like it too. Okay, so this last product is by City Color, and this is an eyeshadow, and I am not super big on single eyeshadows, but City Color is really nice. They're really pigmented. Their single eyeshadows are huge. And this is in the color Skinny Latte. So there's the packaging. And it's a shimmery taupe almost. So let's go ahead and... Ooh, it's really shimmery. Ooh, that could almost be used as a highlighter. Or to make a halo eye. That would be awesome too. So yeah, I'm not, like I said, I'm not super big on single use eyeshadows or single color eyeshadows. I prefer palettes because I feel like you get more for your money. But like I said, City Color is a really good brand. They're very their eyeshadows are very pigmented. And like I said, look at the size of this thing, it's huge. But yeah, I can actually see myself using this instead of an eyeshadow. I can see myself using it as a highlighter because of how shimmery it is. So yeah, I can see myself using this as a highlighter. Yes, I love products that have a dual purpose. So yeah, that was it for my July Ipsy bag. I love this bag so much. I love it so much. It's so pretty. Even the inside is pretty. It looks like a pool liner, but it's bright blue. I love it so much. But yeah, I'm very happy with this month's bag. I will use everything in here, especially those eye masks, and I will probably take the finishing powder to work with me, because I have some finishing powder here that's by It Cosmetics, and I love It Cosmetics. But yeah, I'm digging this month. The bag, the products, everything. especially since even though I'm not a big fan of the single pot eyeshadows, I can double it as a highlighter, and I adore highlighters. So yeah, I'm very happy. Ipsy knocked it out of the park this month for me. So yeah, if you guys want to check them out, the link will be in the description box. $10 a month, free shipping, 5 items, catered to you, plus a bag. And I love this month's bag. It's beautiful. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Make sure you click that bell to get notifications if you want them of when I post new videos. I hope your guys' summer is going well so far. I hope your July, I cannot believe July is halfway over. Connor goes back to school in a month, but he's going to be 12 in 11 days, and I'm freaking out a little bit because my baby is going to be 12. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good July so far, a good summer so far. I hope your 4th of July was awesome. I will see you guys next time when I get my mint mongoose in, so that I can do ear fleek and mint mongoose. Can't talk today because I'm tired. I'm ready to go take my eyeballs out and go to bed. But mint mongoose in, so I can do ear fleek and mint mongoose at the same time, since they're both smaller jewelry subscriptions. I kind of want to do them in one video. But yeah, those will be coming up. I'm just waiting for mint mongoose to come in. Should be here hopefully Monday. But until then, I hope you guys are having an awesome evening, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.